Rows of Indiana counties under a high risk of spreading COVID-19. This is the state health department's county metrics map. And if you look at it here, you can actually see 15 counties are now in orange. That's the second highest risk level out there. Only 4 counties were in that category last week, so you can see the growth there. 10 fewer counties are in the lowest level. That's the blue on your screen. Indianapolis Mayor Joe Hogsett and County Health Department Director Dr. Virginia Kane both said today that they're not ready to ask the City County Council for a mask mandate. That's despite new recommendations to mask up indoors. Regardless of vaccination status, News 8's David Williams spoke with Dr. Kane about masking here in Indianapolis.
So right now, at the current, based on the recommendations we saw from CDC and based on our local numbers, we are just recommending. We're not requiring yet, but that is something that we will closely monitor our trends to see whether it's continuing.
Tuesday, both the CDC and Marion County's health department recommended masking up in public indoor spaces, no matter your vaccination status.
If I remove my mask and I just talk normally to you, I'm putting respiratory droplets in the air. Those droplets can remain 30 minutes or a little bit longer in the air. So I can leave this room, but anyone else coming into this space where I was talking and inhale through their nose, they can come infected.
I asked Dr. Kane about sporting events. Lucas Oil Stadium was one of the last in the NFL to allow fans in. Would fans have to mask up?
So I don't honestly know that answer yet because I think we're away. I think the first Colts game here it's like August preseason, so we're a little bit away from that. So we may have some much better answers for you in the next 10 to 14 days.
News 8 asked people around town along Mass Ave if they think Marion County needs a new mask mandate.
I don't believe so. I think if you're vaccinated, you've made that choice to get vaccinated and protect enough. And I feel like people who haven't chosen to get the vaccine, have made that choice as well. So
it kind of depends. If the vaccination rate is still pretty low and the infection rate starts getting high, then I think absolutely, especially indoors as it becomes colder. But if more vaccines, if that rate goes up, then maybe not.
Remember, businesses can still require masks at their establishments. Dr. Kane says to consider some questions if you're trying to decide whether to mask up. Think about if you're going to be around unvaccinated people or if you live with or are someone who could have high risk of COVID complications. They also urge anyone 12 and over to get a COVID vaccine. In Indianapolis, I'm David Williams, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
David, thank you. As for masks in school, Dr. Kane says that she has appointments the next 3 days with leaders of public and private schools in Marion County, and she plans to discuss their challenges and concerns and her recommendations.
Meanwhile, the Indiana State Teachers Association is recommending schools mask up this fall, saying wearing masks, getting vaccinated, social distancing, and hand washing all in combination are the best ways to keep students, families, and educators safe and keep community transmission rates low. Take a turn to the Colts watch now. 3 players will miss the start of training camp.
And they've been placed on the reserve COVID-19 list. And according to the team, TJ Carey, Xavier Rhodes, and Al-Qadin Muhammad either tested positive or were in close contact of someone who tested positive. The Colts have not released any other details. Head coach Frank Reich, who is fully vaccinated, tested positive on Monday, meaning he is also absent for the first part of camp.